I can't find the head.
It's like losing your keys, right? Can you all relate? Can't find the head.
A disturbed man uploads a shocking YouTube video claiming responsibility for the gruesome murder of his own father.
Do you think his channel got canceled? Do you think that's against terms of service?
What's your number?
911, where is the emergency?
Where's the emergency?
911, where is the emergency?
Yes.
Emergency.
Do you know what police department covers where you're at?
Middletown Township.
Okay. And what is the emergency?
Her husband is.
Okay, what is wrong with him?
We believe he said.
Okay, how old is he? How many years old is he?
This many.
Ma'am, stop and listen to me.
I fucking hate the dispatchers, man. I know they have a job to do, and I know they're trained to try to keep the person on the phone calm. They're just so devoid of humanity when they're doing their job.
I'm trying to help him. How old is he? An approximate age, 40, 50, 90?
60.
About 60. What happened to him?
She thinks her son did something to him.
First of all, I need to know if he is awake at all, or looking around, or moving, or flinching his arms or legs at all.
I already lost his head.
Okay, I need to know if he is moving or flinching around.
You motherfucker. See? He doesn't have a fucking head. Yeah, I'm trying to help him. He doesn't have a head. Yeah, that don't mean nothing. Is he twitching? Is he flinching around at all? Really, bitch? His head isn't even in this house anymore.
At all, or if he is awake at all.
Yeah. No, he's sitting up holding his own head like Ichabod Crane, you fucking asshole.
I need you to check and tell me if he is breathing.
Dude, Jesus.
I'm trying to determine if we're going to start CPR.
He's dead, man.
I understand, sir. We don't know he's dead until they get there and check him and try.
But you're not listening. You're so fucking eager to get in every time he talks. You didn't hear him under his... Anybody doesn't believe me?
I already lost his head.
Not exactly intelligible all the way, but like, excuse me, what was that? No, he just plows through, keeps going. He doesn't have a head. Should we start CPR? Sure, yeah. Well, I'll get some cups and put it under his esophagus and just pump it all in there. You dickhead.
Dude, Jesus.
I understand.
The guy gave up. Dude, he just gave the phone away.
What I want to do is try to help save him and keep him there until they can check him out. So if he's not breathing, will...
Now, he knows he's not going to get a word in, and any that he does get in, he's listening to talk next. So now he's asking, can I please say something? He doesn't have a head.
You do CPR, or will somebody there...
No head, dude.
He has no head at all?
No.
Mike Moan's severed head was used as a prop in a video Justin filmed and posted to YouTube earlier that day.
Where is the son that you think may have done this?
Justin!
Okay, does anybody have any idea how long ago this may have occurred?
No, I had no idea. His wife just caught him and she's lost it, man.
The poor guy is just fed up. Like, first he was like, dude, blah, 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 and now he's just like, man, she's over there. Can we get off the phone now?
Did you see any kind of weapon that was there or anything?
There's a knife in the bathtub.
And even in these early moments after the discovery, only one
Piece of
man
shit.
seems a possible culprit.
I really starting to think, man, it was Justin. It's his car's missing. Dude, I can't find the head.
Come
They
on,
find
man.
the rest of Mike Moan in the blood-spattered bathroom nearby. His body is slumped against a bathtub.
Yeah, why don't you do CPR?
Local police and state troopers locate their suspect more than a mile inside the base and stop him at gunpoint.
We're all leaving here today in one piece. You understand me?
Absolutely, sir. I have no quarrels with the police.
You got no problem with the police because they'll fucking kill you.
In my bag here, I have a hat, an axe.
Can I ask you a question?
Thank you guys for your service.
That's not gonna help you, dude. Going around with a fucking accident waiting to happen. One in the chamber, not safetied. Good stuff.
It also suggests that he may be the
Oh my
Messiah.
god. That fucking shirt.
He wrote and self-published The Second Messiah, King of Earth.
Did you see the cover? Get his picture. There he is. That's supposed to be people in the background, is it? Oh, it's lights on a fucking building that he thought he could make look like paparazzi chasing him around. Fucking idiot.
Justin is transported to the 4th
Fuck you,
Indian Town
Justin.
Gap Police Headquarters.
Will you speak to us without a lawyer present?
I probably shouldn't.
Lots of things you shouldn't have done. Like kill and decapitate your father.
So what brings you to Fort Indian Town Gap tonight?
There's no chance of me talking to the governor, is there?
No.
Why? What did you want to talk to him about?
I just wanted to find out if he, you know, is satisfied with his service provider, if he likes Melba toast. I don't know. A hug from Jesus?
I don't know
Anything.
if you guys are about to charge me with anything or...
You do.
Who do you live with?
My parents, 2 cats.
After his arrest, Justin reportedly wrote dozens of letters to celebrities and TV personalities asking for their support.
He's fucking
Despite
bonkers.
this, a Bucks County jury convicted him on 12 counts, including murder in the first degree and abuse of a corpse. Justin Moan was
Look at the fucking face on it. He loves it. You're gonna get destroyed in prison, dude. Your eyes are way too close together, too. Just putting that in there. Out there. Wherever. Putting it somewhere. You're gonna get it.
to life in prison without the possibility of parole. Keep
Peace.
uncovering
Thank
case
you for
files
watching.
that
Shut up.
footage.